Guys, good morning, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. I'm recording the session, checking the voice is coming or not. Just- Good morning, all of you. మీరు ఎక్కడన్నా వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు ఆన్లైన్ చదువుతున్నారు? ఉమ్? ఉమ్? నీకు వినిపించట్లేదా? నీకు వినిపించట్లేదా? మీకు వినిపిస్తున్నదా? వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు కదా, వాళ్ళకి వినిపిపోతుంది. వీళ్ళంతా ఆఫ్లైన్ వాళ్ళు. Good afternoon, all of you. So last session we started about OGA dynamic complications, right? So all are very, very important topics, guys. Whatever we are discussing, all are very, very important concepts. Dynamic configurations. Okay. So basically, for achieving the OGA dynamic configurations, we have the annotations. Those are like I would say at the rate component, and next we use at the rate activate, and at the rate to modified, at the rate deactivate, and next at the rate modified, next at the rate object class definition, and next we have at the rate designate, and next we have at the rate attribute definition, definition. Okay, next at the rate reference. These are the annotations. These are the annotations. I hope you guys are visible what I am saying. These are the annotations. At the rate OGA dynamic configurations. Next are these are the annotations. These annotations are also called as OGA annotations. I can write here. These annotations are called OGA annotations or R7 annotations. So in the interview perspective, they will ask, there are two variations, they will ask the questions. One is, what is OGA annotations? Can you please explain? That is the one way to ask. And second one is, what is R7 annotation? That is the one way to ask the question. OGA annotation and R7 annotations. Okay. In the dynamic configurations, what we did actually, so instead of doing everything hard coded, everything you can take the values dynamically. Okay, for example, the real time scenarios are like, for example, there is a iPhone 16. So they will give the offers in some time, like 2 days, 3 days. They will give the offers in some time. So basically, starting date and ending date, the dates we will give the dynamic configurations. Not only iPhones, every website, in Amazon, Flipkart also, we are running so many offers, right? Offers also, start date and end date we can give by using OSI dynamic configurations. We can give OSI dynamic configurations. Okay, OSI dynamic configurations, very important. So how we can write the program for that OSI dynamic configurations, that will end in the last session. I hope everybody, you guys completed your task, right? So after the OSI configurations, next concept we have, we can go ahead with the servlets. So servlet, which we discussed in already Java, same in AEM also, how we can utilize the servlet. All are very important topics, concepts, guys. Okay, if you are enter into as a Java developer, so regularly you will be have the work on these all the topics. If you attend interview 3 years or 4 years of experience, and if you are individually you are attending the interviews also, they will ask the questions. They will ask the questions all these areas, like what is OJ component, what is active. These all the questions they will ask. These all the questions they will ask. Now we'll try to understand what is servlet. So normally already we know what is servlet. Servlet is the servlets are the normal Java classes which will have the methods like init method, service method, and I can say destroy method, which will take the parameters, and process the parameters and return the response, and return the response return the response. Okay, this is the definition for the servlet. Next here, next question we have, how many ways you can register the servlet. How many ways we can register the servlet? So how many ways we can register? There are two ways to register the servlet. What are the two ways? First one is, these are the very regular question, guys. Normally you can attend normal 3 years of experience also. So whatever the topics I am covering from starting to till now, compulsory, any interview, they will ask the compulsory these questions. Okay, these all are real time questions I am telling, and make sure everybody, you guys also should be familiar with this. Okay. Next we have, how many ways you can register. There are two ways to register the servlet, guys. One is the path based servlet. Second one is resource based servlet. Resource based servlet. So next question, whenever we are writing a servlet, we need to extend to out of the box classes. Whenever we are creating the servlets, meaning whenever we are writing the servlets, we are writing the servlets, whenever we are writing the servlets, we need to extend. We need to extend to out of the box classes. To out of the box classes based on the requirement. Classes based on the requirement. What are the two classes based on the requirement? What are the two classes actually? First one is sling all method servlet and sling safe method servlet. These are the predefined classes. First one is the string all method servlet. Second one is the string safe method servlet. Second one is the string safe method servlet. String safe method. What are these two? These two are already predefined classes. And there is a question. There are two classes we have to extend the when we are writing the servlet. At what time we'll go with the first one? At what time we'll go with the second one? Because so when the read operation, when we have the read operation, we can go ahead with the string safe method servlet. All meaning all methods available. Okay, string safe method servlet. String safe method servlet. String safe method meaning when we have the requirement is a read operation, then we can extend string safe method servlet. When we have the requirement is CRUD operations. CRUD operations. Again, what does it mean by CRUD operations? CRUD meaning we can create the data, create and read and update and delete. This is called CRUD operation. When the requirement we want to perform the CRUD operations, then we can go ahead with the string all method servlet. The class name is string all method servlet, and this is also string safe method servlet, and this is also string all method servlet. This is the class name. This is the read operation, and this is for the CRUD operation. And what does it mean by CRUD? CRUD meaning create the data, read the data, update the data, and delete the data, and delete the data. So today what we can do, so how to create the servlet class, how to create servlet class. First take first one is write normal Java class, write normal Java class. For example, public class demo servlet. What is this? This is normal Java class or not? Yes, this normal Java class we can convert into the service. Servlet is also one service. Next point here is servlet is also service. Servlet is also service. Now second point is converter. Declare normal Java class as component. Which component? OJ component. OJ component. How you can convert? You can annotate by using @component. @component. Okay. Next third step is uh, define or declare. Declare OJ component into OJ component as OJ service. OJ service. Now come to here, and there is a service equal to class name. This is servlet, right? We have to mention servlet dot class. Now what is this? What is this? This is service. Okay. Now this is the service. This is not a Java. Java class I am converting into component. Again this component I am converting into service. Now this is service. Okay. Now this is the service. This is the service. Come to here. Okay. Service is also okay for me. Now the next step is ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్నారేమే హాస్టల్లో ఒకసారి నిఖిల్ అని ఉంటారు కానీ అది కలవండి. Declare OGA component as the OGA service. Next, fourth, I would say, next step is come to here. Normal Java class I can convert it into OGA component, and again I converted into service and come to here. This is the servlet, right? What I said here. Whenever we are writing the servlet, we need to extend two out of the box classes based on the requirement. So first I am going with the only read operation. Okay. So the fourth point is we can extend we can extend hmm, we can extend out of box classes, out of the box class laid out of the box class. Out of the box class is what we have basically. There are two types, right? So first I am going with either string save method servlet or string all method servlets. String save method servlet or string all method servlet. String all method servlet. Okay, so sometimes based on the requirement we go with the string save method servlet and string all method servlet. But make sure whenever we are writing the servlet, make sure we have to extend the two out of the box classes, either a string safe method servlet or string all method servlet. String all method. I hope you guys are clear what I am doing. So I am writing step by step how to write the string servlets. This is also clear. Now as of now my requirement is I am going with the first one, only read operation. So simply I am using extends keyword and I can mention the name is string save method servlet. String save method servlet. String save method servlet. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is the predefined class, right? Predefined class has predefined methods actually. Predefined class has predefined methods. Okay. This is also predefined class, and it is also have the method that is do get method. Do get method is the predefined method. So that do get method, that is I would say do get method, and in that do get methods have the parameters are like there are two parameters, that is string servlet request, string servlet request. Request is the one parameter, and next string servlet response. This is the two parameters. This is the do get method, and from that here I would like to write some message. The message is basically response dot get writer dot write. So basically here I could pass some message, something. Do get method. So this is the simple message I written. So this is the way of writing the servlet. I hope you guys are clear. I clearly explained like told you like stepwise. Take normal Java class, declare the normal Java class as the OSA component, and declare the OSA component as OSA service, and we can extend the out of the box classes, the string method, the servlet, and so where we have string safe method servlet. There are number of methods actually, but among those, here in the string safe method servlet, only have do get method. Come to here, there is a here we have do get method. Do get method. But in case of string all methods, there are number of methods. But among those, we will use do get method, and do put method, do post method, do delete method. These methods we will use regularly, but in case of all method, there are number of methods are available. There are number of methods are available. I hope you guys are clear, right? Do get method, do put method, do post method, do delete method. So when the requirement we want to use all the methods, meaning prod operations, we will go with string all. Only the requirement is read operation, we'll go with the string all methods. I hope all of you clear with my statements. What I am saying, you guys are clear. And these are the steps while creating the servlet. Write the normal Java class, declare the normal Java class as a OJ component, and declare OJ component as a OJ service, and we can extend out of the box class either string safe method servlet and string all method servlet based on the requirement. And in my case, so based on the requirement, we can override the methods and we can write the implement the logic. So based on the requirement, we can override the methods, can override the methods, and we can implement the logic. We can implement the logic. I hope you guys understood what I'm saying. Okay. The same scenario, I can go to the my code base. This is my code base actually. My code base. My project name is what? My project name is May batch. So come to, there is a module section. These are the modules are available. Already you know where exactly the modules are available. Modules are available in this hierarchy. Under the core hierarchy, simply go to, there is a servlets. This is the predefined one. Which one? This is the predefined one. So I'm not going. So inside this package, I would like to create a class. Create a new file. Create normal Java class. Guys, whatever steps I told you, the same steps I am following here. What is the first step? Write normal Java class. Come here. Where is the option? Already here I taken right. I am mentioning like as demo servlet. This is what? This is what one? This is normal Java class. Next one is what I need to do. Declare normal Java class as OJ component. Come to here. What I do here? Annotation at the rate component. So when you look, you cannot directly type. So when you give the simply component, it will give the suggestions. Okay? It will give the suggestions. It will give the suggestions. Now come to here. Uh, Component. So from that we have to import the package as well. Okay, this is okay, fine, very good. Step 2 also done. This is done. And come to here. This is also done. Again come to here. Declare this one as the service. can simply add service equal to servlet dot class. So when you have to import the servlet, you have to java x dot servlet dot class, and after immediate equal to true, and enabled equal to true, enabled equal to true. Okay, fine. Now as of now is clear, right? This is done, and this is also done. This is also done. Next one. Next one, what guys we have? We can extend out of the box classes either string safe method servlet, either string all method servlet. String all method servlet. Okay, now come to here, extends. Uh, as of now, I am going with string safe method servlet. Look for the string safe method servlet, and you will get only one, that is string API. Import that one. So successfully I converted this one into service, and I extended out of the box class also. And there is a do get method. This is coming from this class, right? Yeah. Click on that. It will give the suggestions for that message. From that, so already you know method combinations. You know or don't know? Method combinations. You know or don't know, guys? Method combinations. Method combinations. You know or don't know? Method combinations. Method combinations. Method combinations. Method combinations తెలుసా తెలీదా? ఎవరు తెలీదా? మెథడ్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా జావాలో. ఎవరు తెలీదా? మెథడ్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఎవరికైనా తెలుసా తెలీదా? మొత్తం 4 కాంబినేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. అవే మరి కాంబినేషన్ మరి అవే కాంబినేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ బిలాంగ్ టు విచ్ కాంబినేషన్? Without return type with the parameters. So from that, so I am taking this parameter response as the parameter I am taking, and from that I would like to print some message. Response dot get writer is the method, and here I would like to print some message actually. గైస్ నేను ఇక్కడ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ అంతా రాసేది జావానే, నేను వేరే ఏం రాయట్లా. మీకు జావా ఆల్రెడీ ఐడియా ఉంటే మీరు ఏం బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఆడుకోవచ్చు. డాట్ writer. So here I would like to pass some message get writer dot writer. Response dot get writer. This is the method. Response dot get writer dot writer. There is a method string. Here I can pass some message. Hello. I can save this one. Now this is okay. Response. From this response, I need to display some message. Response dot. No, when we are selecting this one, which is taking other one. Response dot get right. Come down. Normal can take get. Here I am taking some message or data coming from the string safe method sublet. String safe method sublet to get method. Okay. Now this is the simple sublet I written, guys. This is the simple sublet. Why to get method string safe method sublet. Close IO exception. జూమ్ అవ్వదు. కనపడకపోతే వస్తే ముందు కూర్చో లేదంటే లేదు. ఆ? So we need to display the message. Okay, whatever the message you want, the message you can print normally. Oh, this is the servlet. Oh, the servlet we need to register with the. There are two ways to register, right? Come to here. There actually we missed one point. Uh, what is this? How many ways you can register the servlet? How many ways? There are two ways. And this is also servlet. This is also we need to register with. That is sync servlet paths. Now actually I am going with the only first one. Pathway servlet. Okay. So here I would say at the rate sync servlet paths, and here also I am mentioning with value equal to. So here you can give any value. Okay. The value is our wish. This entire servlet I am mapping with this. This is called mapping URL pattern. For example, here I am giving some Krishna demo and servlet demo, some BML. Like this, I am giving normally. search some BML and all. I'm giving like this, and this is the servlet I registered with this. And from that, now the class is demo servlet, and this is extending the class that is link safe at the server, that is out of the box class. Now coming to here, there is a do get method. Do get method. Do get method is having two parameters: request parameter and response parameters. So response dot, there is a predefined one that we can see here. How they written coming to here, let's see here. So I'm copying this one. Here I'm changing to response, and here I'm changing to response. Somewhere in Newton stoic response dot string HTTP server response. Come to here. Simple server. Go to here. String HTTP server request, and we need to throw this one as well. Come to here. There is a method, right? You can throw here. Yeah. Now the error is found. We need to throw the exception. Already know exceptions. I'm saving this one. Simply I am deploying this one. I hope you guys are clear what I did. So I am doing with the string safe method servlet with path based. Okay, this is the thing I can deploy. I am deploying this one. So there are two ways to deploy, and I am deploying this one by using like this maven clean install. Normal, this is normal command. You can give the normal command and then you can deploy. Minus p auto install single package. You can change to command prompt and maven clean install minus p auto install single package. Command. There are two ways to deploy. Guys, every topic is important. Okay. Also, this is the right time to learn. So once you placed in the job, you don't have such time to learn. Also, in that nobody also won't help you. So you guys, please be utilize your time. Okay. Build success. Now this is the servlet which I written, and this servlet there is a data I need to set up, right? Okay. Now this, I'm copying this path, and when I would like to go to any browser, okay, so localhost 4502, and after this, I have to hit my path actually. We need to give the forward slash at all. There is a servo servlet, come to here. Data coming from the, you can say, మీరు అది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తా ఉండండి, నేను ఎప్పుడు వస్తాను, ఓకేనా? అందరు ల్యాప్టాప్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు అది చూసి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాను, నేను మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు వస్తాను.